Today I'm going to solve some of the doubts you guys are asking, that what about cognizant results, and some of these questions I've listed. So let's start. And today I have a target of likes of 100 plus. If you guys want your doubts to be resolved, so please like this video, because if this video does not get 100 plus like, so it is very difficult for me to come up with new videos and solve your doubts and uh, answer your queries uh, by person. So please make sure that 100 plus likes in this video gets completed. So when the results of Cognizant's agency will be out, this depends on your placement office. So if they generally, what are they are doing, they, after the completion of 3 rounds of interview, and for some people there are 2 rounds of interview, after that within 10 days they are declaring results, and they will inform the your placement office that whether you are selected or not. Then what I have to do, some people are asking that you have to upload the documents in Superset profile or not. Actually, if they are asking, you have received a mail regarding doing so. So generally, students have not received a mail to upload the documents. So if they are not telling, then don't upload any documents. Okay, and if you are asked to do so, then you have to upload your documents in Superset profile according to the information what they are asking. Okay, then the technical round completed, but no mail for HR round. This is a genuine issue that most people are facing, that they have given the technical round but no mail for second round. So that means that chances are there that you are rejected in technical round, and you will not receive any offer letter or so, because you are not qualified for HR round. Then no survey mail. So some people are having doubt after I uploaded 2 videos that survey mail not received. Survey mail is for only few candidates, those who have not uploaded proper documents carefully, or some issue they are having on Cognizant side, so they are receiving survey mail to upload their documents again. So that is why some people have received survey mail, not all people. And there is nothing to worry that if you have not received your survey mail you are rejected, or that, like that, there is no issue with that. If you are graduated, how to know the result? As the Cognizant results will be declared on your placement office. So if you are graduated and don't have any contact with your placement office, so what you can do, you can collect a mail of your placement office and mail to the placement office that I am a 2020 graduate or 2021 graduate. So what is the update for me? So if the results are declared, they will inform you. Otherwise, you will receive a mail from Cognizant team as well that you are selected, and when you will receive your letter of intent, LOI, then they will inform you. So I hope you have already pressed the like button, because that is very important, and you have subscribed my channel as well. So then if some people have marks below than 60% in their academic, many people have in 10th or 12th below 60%, so then they will get rejected according to the criteria. They are not filling the eligibility criteria, so that is a worry that they might get rejected. So some people have a question that they, when they are appearing for interview, the panelists didn't join. Okay, so that is the issue from the Cognizant team. So you should have received a rescheduling interview mail. So that is important, that you should be called for interview again. And if that is not the case, then nothing to worry, that is the fault from their side. So you will all receive the result, positive result as well. So I will next discuss some doubts that I get a comment that still didn't get assessment mail. Is there any chance to get the mail still? There is no chance to get assessment mail, because the assessment is already completed. Okay, the next. Sir, I have done my Cognizant tier round on 9th of November, and I didn't receive HR mail till now. That means that you are rejected in your technical round, and you will have not qualified for HR round. So it is a high possibility that we will not receive HR mail now. I applied on October of 23, but still didn't get any exam mail. So that is a problem, that you might have not be might be not eligible for the exam. or that is that you are not qualified for assessment exam, so you didn't receive any exam mail. In November 11th, attended tier round on GNC but still didn't receive HR mail. That means I am rejected. If you're not received the HR mail, that means you are rejected on the technical round. I have completed the document verification round on 13th. When will I get the offer letter? If you have document verification on 13th, then you will might have received offer letter. That is letter of intent between 23 or 24 like that. I have completed second round document verification on 11th November, but didn't receive any survey mail till now or LOI. Yeah, that survey mail you will receive, that is not a guarantee case, sure case that you will receive a survey mail, but LOI you will receive on before 22, 23, according to that timeline. Okay, the last week of November, you can say. So this is a question from I need help cognizant GNC developer role. I completed tier round inside HR round. So this guy has completed both the rounds in a single interview. So after I get the interview for certificate verification in 13th of November, what is the next step when I receive survey round and offer letter? So that you will get the letter of intent for after all rounds are in the if interview are done, you will receive the LOI on after 23 24, you can say the last week of November. So these are all the doubts that I have been getting till now. If you have any doubt, you can comment below. I will try to resolve your doubt, or you can contact the Cognizant GNC HR team, or if you have any doubt, you can comment. And this video has target of 100 likes, and please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.